Hi, my name is Farley,
And I'm Jeremy Rodriguez.
and we attend Horizon Science Academy, Cleveland High School. And today we're going to show you or tell you about the red blood cells and the eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. All living things are made up of cells, or it can be one cell or more than one cell. But scientists group cells into two types, eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Some examples of eukaryotic cells are animals and plants. Some examples of prokaryotic cells is bacteria. Eukaryotic cells have internal compartments that are more complex, and they are more complex than the prokaryotic cells. They live independently as one cell organisms, and like they can evolve into multicellular organisms. And the prokaryotic cells are smaller. They're more smaller and not as well organized as eukaryotic cells. Basically, most prokaryotic cells are made of are unicellular, but some are multicellular. All cells can have similar structures because they are made of a cell membrane and a cytoplasm, and contains a genetic material. Red blood cells are specialized animal cells. Like animal cells, they have a similar basic structure. They have a cytoplasm and they have a cell membrane. Mature red blood cells do not have a nucleus because they lose it after the nucleus is formed. All red blood cells are carried in the bone marrow and many bones of the body. And red blood cells are important because they carry oxygen to all parts of the body, and they release carbon dioxide at the same time. And red blood cells contain a hemoglobin combined with the oxygen.
All the red blood cells contain hemoglobin molecules. There are between 200 and 300 hemoglobin molecules in a red blood cell. So these molecules are important because when they bind together with carbon dioxide and oxygen, your hemoglobin, when they molecules combine with oxygen, when they combine, your blood shines bright red. And when they lose oxygen and combine with carbon dioxide, then it'll shine blue. Now, all cells have a cell membrane, and cell membrane acts like a barrier. This right here would be the cell membrane, and it acts like a barrier for the cell, which it keeps things inside the cell, like the hemoglobin molecules, but it also lets things inside the molecule, the cell. And right here, these little red dots are hemoglobin molecules, and this is the red blood cell. So then the cytoplasm lies between the cell membrane and the nucleus, and fibrous proteins that are inside the cytoplasm are referred to as cytoskeleton, and they help the hemoglobin molecules anchor down the red blood cell, and for the red blood cell to keep its shape. And that's pretty much it. I'm Joe Rodriguez from the Science Academy.
And I'm Nick going farther. Thanks for watching.